And whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. This is called good morning. We found in our fridge 10 eggs. 10 eggs. And we thought what we could prepare. But we are missing some ingredients. We need to buy more ingredients, okay? Let's go. We need to buy more ingredients. Let's go. We'll be back soon. We don't have some ingredients, yeah? We don't have some ingredients for our recipe.
Bananas.
No, there is no bananas in our recipe. There is no bananas, no. There is kefir. Kefir. We need oil. Kefir. You want buns? He wants to eat buns. No, kefir. 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 We need kefir. Kefir. Where is kefir? Oh, I found. Here, kefir. Kefir. Take. Put back. Put it back. It's heavy. Okay. Kefir. We need oil. Oil. And oil. Take soda. We don't have baking soda. We have everything we need. We forgot the milk. Milk. We need milk. No. We bought the ingredients we need. It's a kefir, milk, oil, baking soda, everything we need. Come on, open it. 1, 3. Crack the last egg. Hit on the counter. Come on, hit. Yes, and now open it. Come on. And now open it. Like this. Come on. One more time. Come on, hit one more time. Good. It was good. Good job. Nice. And whisk. Yes. Your turn. What? It's a foam. It's a foam. Foam. Come on, pour all the milk. Give it a good whisk. Whoa, Robert, careful. I'll add baking soda. 1.5 tablespoon of baking soda. 1. Good. Come on. 2. Good. 3. Good. And now we are going to give a good whisk to incorporate the flour. Add the rest. Come on. Add the rest flour. Nice. Okay. Come on. Let me help you. Let me help you for a second. Okay.
What is this?
Nice.
What is this?
What is this? And we'll add honey. How about to add all of this honey inside? Whoop. We'll add. What? Wait. Wait a second. Wait. 1 tablespoon. And last spoon. Last. This is last. Last spoon. Okay. Come on, whisk. Now add the oil. Come on, add the oil. Add oil. Whisk. Give it a good whisk. Don't rush. Now add kefir. Okay. It's okay. This is vanilla. Oh, smells good. Smell.
It's good.
Smells good.
It's good.
Smells good.
Smells good. It's good.
It's good.
It's good. It's good.
It's very good. Smells Amazing, yeah? Smells tasty.
Good, isn't it? Close to
Hi, pour it. Hi. No, that's it. And whoa. Wait. Wait a second. In 4 hours.
4 hours.
Is ready. Come on, hit like this. Hit harder. Good. Whoa. This is called Black Baba.
Black Baba.
No, this is called Black Baba. Let's give it a try, okay? Whoa.
Come on, yes, it's booty.
Try. What do you think? It's good?
The chocolate no es buena.
This is good?
No es good.
It's good. Okay. No. Just, mommy, you wanna try? Tell me. Oh, my beautiful mommy. Papa.
I like.
If you like our recipe, please subscribe, leave a comment. What do you like to see what we are gonna cook next?
Baliza.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next recipe.